Okay, everybody, what's going on? I've successfully launched my Screencast-O-Matic, guys, and we are ready to go, guys. We're back for another give stuff away, build a list, make money video, guys, and I hope you guys have been following along. I hope that you guys understand that as list builders, we have to constantly be looking for hot, new, creative ways to generate traffic to bring them into our automated marketing systems and sales funnels, guys. And so in this video, we're going to be talking about banner advertising, okay? Um, Banner advertising, guys, it can really be powerfully effective. Now, uh, I'm going to show you guys how to place a banner ad in a site called Adhitz. And the cool thing about Adhitz, and when we talk about placing banner ads in Adhitz and placing ads in banner ads, they don't cost a lot of money, but depending on your banner, right, you can extract leads from ad hits. You can extract leads from banner ad exchanges, okay? And so ad hits is actually a banner ad exchange. You can run text ads inside of ad hits as well, but we're just going to talk about the banner ad, guys. And when you're over there, and when you're inside of ad hits, guys, feel free to look at the actual text ad. You can actually place text ads as well. But what I've done, guys, you kind of, just get you guys up and running, is I've just uploaded 3 of my favorite banner ads, right? And so what you can do from this page, guys, I got instructions on how you can actually download or upload these images onto your desktop, because once you download them and or upload them on your desktop, then you can use ad hits to simply go in and upload them to the Adhitz platform, right? So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Now, if you want to download them, you will simply right-click on the image that you want, the banner that you actually want. You would right-click. I'm just going to enlarge my screen just a little bit because hopefully you guys can see it. Now, when I right-clicked on the image, it'll say Save Image Ad. And if you click Save Image As, then a window is going to open up and it's going to give you an opportunity over here on the left hand side to actually go to your pictures, guys. That's why I suggest you guys put it and come down here. That's the ugly banner. I'm going to maybe ugly banner image 5. Okay, I'm just going to make it ugly banner image 5 and I'm going to save it. And it's just that simple, downloading or uploading the images onto your desktop. And so now, guys, let's jump over to Adhitz. We're going to go inside that platform. And I'm going to show you guys how you can start placing banner and text ads, okay? Because, again, you can place these banner and text ads, and you can place them like really, for pennies on the dollar. And depending on your banner, guys, you can start having those leads. We're using our capture page to start trickling into your autonomous list building systems, right? Your capture pages. Now, some people use this platform for the text ads, like I said, and so you can redirect to wherever you want to go. But I'm going to be showing you guys the banner ads, how to place an ad inside of ad hits, okay? So if you look up here at the top on the left, it says ad hits, advertising for all budgets. That's true, guys. Now, I haven't been inside of ad hits in a while, but I want to update all the information inside of your members area on this webpage, so you guys will have a variety of options in terms of driving traffic. So let's go to advertisers, guys. And if you go to advertisers, inside the advertisers tab, you will come to my network ads, right? Or you can find out how it works. You can do all of that from right here in the browsers, right? But I want to say, I haven't been in here for a minute, but if you go to buy network ads, that's where you would be able to do it. Now, you can go to site specific ads, and maybe I'll do another video, but you guys just get inside the platform and you'll see. Now, I have some ads already in here, so I'm going to go to my network ads, and the ads that I placed, as you guys can see, they're already sitting inside the platform, right? So what we want to do, guys, is once we've downloaded those images on our desktop, we want to start placing them inside of the ad hits network. I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. I don't know. I might have about 8, right? And honestly, guys, I'll tell you the truth. It's been a minute since I've run ads in here. Now, I'll tell you, I haven't extracted any leads out of here lately, but every now and then, guys, I'll see some leads trickle in. And That's from this inexpensive ad network, and just by using banner ads. Okay, so anyway, they're really, 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 really inexpensive. And so this ad, you see how it populates. This ad, the ugly ad, I call it the ugly ad banner. And there's one more, and this one. I like these three ads. They're generic in nature, they're pretty universal. And believe it or not, people are surfing these banner ads, guys, and they're clicking on these banner ads if they so choose. And so when they do, these banner ads will redirect to wherever you send them to, right? Wherever you want them to redirect to. And in this instance, we're redirecting them to our autonomous list building systems, right? Our capture page. So when you want to place one of these ads, you would come back up here to advertise, and you would go to buy network ads, okay? You would go to buy a network ads. Now, one of the other things I like about Adhitz is the fact that you can target your campaign, right? You can name your campaign. And if you guys look up here, you'll see you have these little bullets. So you got adult content, which is, this is not. You got dating contest. This is not. Bookmark casino and gambling. This is not. It's none of the above, guys. And that's what you want to check in this instance. If those other bullet points apply to you, then click those links, guys. For anybody who happen to be finding me on YouTube, you're welcome, right? They'll walk inside and do the exact same thing and do what I'm doing right now. Now, remember I said you could do text ads, right? If you choose to do text ads, then hit the text ad button. If you want to do an image ad, then you want to click image, guys. And those images, those banners that I showed you guys, they're a pretty standard size image. It's a full 68 by 60. So I'm going to click that because that's what my image is, right? So now, where do I want my ads to show? Do I want them to show everywhere? Do I want them to show in these regions? And you guys can see that, right? Or do I want them to show in these countries, right? For 20% plus 20% cost. That's a new feature they have, right? But anyway, we're going to say show everywhere. And then we're going to go over to the right and go to the next step. Okay, now, once you go to the next step, guys, you're going to be able to actually upload your actual banner. If my slow computer ever picks up, guys, right? Wait a minute, enter the name of your account. Oh, wow. I didn't enter the name of my campaign, guys. Let's call this Autonomous List Building, okay? Because that's what we're using, guys. We're using our autonomous list building system, right? We're giving things away, and we're going to build a list by doing it, and we're going to monetize that list as we start doing it. So take your attach, you're going to take your actual link to your autonomous list building system, and you're going to pop it in the appropriate area, but you want to name it right up here. Then you should be able to move to the next step, I'm sure. There you go. Now, guys, remember I said this is not very expensive, right? So it's going to ask you, how much do you want to spend? These are what they call CPC, cost per click. And so you can learn a little bit more about the cost per click. But in a nutshell, basically, you only pay when someone clicks on your banner ad. And that's pretty cool, right? So there's a cool way to qualify the people that's actually going to be clicking on these ads. And we'll talk about that, guys, in another video on the YouTube channel. But right now, let's just talk about what we want to do in terms of the money, right? So I think I'm going to spend, for the sake of this video, I think I'm going to spend $5, right? I think it'll let me do it at just $5 like that. And then you can do your daily budget as well. So if you're going to spend a total of $5, you might want to make your daily budget $1, right? You'll be amazed, guys, how long these ads run at those thresholds, right? Now, I think I did it right. Let's see, can we get to the next step? Okay, cool. So now you must now upload your ad. To upload your ad, you must use the upload features below. Remember, I talked about the protocol before, guys. Whatever the protocol is for your particular ad, right? So the protocol is going to be HTTP or it's going to be HTTPS. It's going to be one of those others. I think in this instance, guys, we're using HTTP, right? Now, you also get to choose your start date. You can see it's September 14th at the time of this video. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to go pull a URL out so I can pop it in here. So hold on for just 1 second. Okay, guys, I went and pulled the URL out. And as you guys can see in this instance, it's going to be an HTTPS. I'm going to highlight that image from my browser. And I'm going to jump back over here to Adhitz. And I'm going to take my URL. I'm going to paste it right inside of this box. Okay. Now I believe I'm going to hit the backspace and it'll capture the protocol, right? I don't think I have to get rid of that. I think I'm good to go. We're going to make this ad. We're not going to say September 16th, just in case I want to go back in and edit some things. I'm going to make it September, what's the day is the 14th. Let's make it the 21st and September 21st, 2021. Okay, cool. And so now this is where we're going to upload that image, guys. Okay, I already named it. I already put my URL in there. Let me change the protocol because I said we had to do that, right? And it's HTTPS. And so now, guys, let's go to upload, right? Oh, wait a minute. Destination. Oh, that's the destination website, guys. What am I? Okay, I guess I could put that in there as well. So let's put it in there too. And I'm using one of my funnel builder capture pages, by the way, guys. Okay. So hopefully I'm doing this right because it's been a minute since I did it. So now let's go and choose the file from our desktop. And what do we call that, guys? I think we went into pictures and we said the ugly banner 2 or ugly banner 5. I got that banner in here a lot of times. I can you can rename those banners, by the way. So let's go ugly. Just gonna put ugly because you shouldn't have to put everything for the actual banner to populate. The computer's very smart, guys, right? So we're gonna hit ugly and hopefully it will bring that banner up. And as you guys can see, there it is. The ugly banner image 5 is what I just created. I'm gonna hit it. It should bring it up so I can preview it in a few seconds. And let's see. Okay, so I got it. Let's upload. There it goes, right? Very simple, right? And so we know it's redirecting to my actual capture page. Where's my capture page? So it's going to read, that banner is going to redirect to this capture page. And this is how I'm going to extract leads from Adhitz in this banner ad exchange, right? Because what's happening is when people start to go through this network, and there are a lot of different networks inside of this network, by the way, guys, they'll click on the banner. And when they do click the banner, and there's a way to test it. Well, let's go to the next step anyway. So that's what you have to do to get there. Let's go to the next step because I think that's where you would pay. And then I think you can actually test. And you can see, guys, it's only $5. There's no discount code associated with this that I'm familiar with. But if you want to purchase more ads, you could do so. If you just want to go to the cart, you'll see it's $5. I have read and I do understand. I'm going to pay with my, oh, no, not coin payment, guys. I want to pay with my debit card. Pay with card, coin payments. I think I can pay with my credit card here. And so I'm going to put my name, right? And so, guys, I'm going to come back. I'm going to finish the payment, and I'll show you guys how this works. Okay, guys, and as you can see, the actual system is telling me thanks for the payment. And now it's saying, please wait for processing. And I actually went in, guys. I did it again. So I ended up paying $10. But I made it for the 21st, so I can go in there and do any editing that I want. That's another good feature just built inside of Adhitz. So anyway, I'm going to give it a minute to process. But you know, I called it the autonomous list building, right? You're going to take your autonomous list building capture page. You can name it whatever you want. And I'm using a different capture page in this instance. You guys saw the page that I'm actually using. And so let's go back up to advertising. I'm going to see if my network ads, if the ad is actually in there. And I believe it is. There it goes right there, guys. This is it right here. It's actually pending. Or is that it? I don't believe that's it because I paid $10. So it should be, that was expired. Pending, let's say pending update. Pending, okay, maybe it did two different ads for me, guys. It did. If you look over here, 14 September, it did that ad for me. And at $1, at $5 and $1. And then I did it again at $5 and $1. And they're both pending, right? So once they're pending, and they don't take long. I mean, literally, usually I go ahead and they're ready already. But anyway, so guys, you know that this particular banner, right, since I placed it inside of Adhitz, it will redirect to my actual URL. And here's the URL that it's going to redirect to. And this is how we're going to extract leads from inside of Adhitz using banner and network ads, guys. Just one more creative, innovative way to get more traffic into our autonomous list building systems, right? Into our capture pages, our lead capture pages, because we want to continue to be pouring traffic into our lead capture pages. So we let the automation actually take over. So guys, right below this site will be another video with even more great ways you can start driving traffic into your new autonomous list building system. And you just keep doing that, guys. You just keep focusing on building your list, because the way that we have the autonomous list builder set up, there are all kinds of great ways for you to start extracting money all in throughout the actual autonomous list builder. There are some upsells built into this list builder. And if you upgrade, right, which makes it so beautiful, then you will actually be able to earn money on the people that upgrade as well. So you're winning either way you go, because you can use this autonomous list building system to simply just start building your own list and monetize it with your own products and services. Or you can actually use the built-in upgrades and you can earn money through those as well. And remember, the autonomous list building system, it's not just you building your list, guys. If you guys have seen this and you understand the awesome power of it, you'll understand that these leads, as you bring people into this system, are being generated by people that you bring into the system too. And these leads, every other lead or so, is passed up to you guys. That means that your list is now starting to grow exponentially, right? So that's it for this give stuff away, build a list, make money video, guys. And I'll meet you guys in the next video, and we'll keep on doing whatever's clever. As always, this is your boy Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. If you guys are finding me on YouTube and you're looking for a great way to make money and you want to start giving stuff away, building a list, and monetizing that list using this system, click the link in the YouTube video description there. For you guys who are on the page, let's just keep going, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep rocking.